Guys, today I am looking at this very cool wireless HD transmitter and receiver from Yehua. Now, I've reviewed a lot of these, but what makes this one so special? And why do you need it? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, this 4K wireless transmitter and receiver is going to be replacing my bag full of cables. Now, connecting to external devices just got a whole lot easier. Now, Yehua sent me this wireless transmitter and receiver kit in exchange for an honest review, and if you follow my channel you know that whether I buy something or whether I'm sent it, you're always going to get an honest review from me, good, bad or indifferent. So why has this got me all excited? Well, before we get into that, let's just take a quick look at what's in the box. Now first off guys, we've got some instructions. We also have the transmitter, which has an HDMI connector at one end and a USB power input on the other. We have a USB power pack with a bunch of international plug adapters, so that's kind of neat. You might need this if your device doesn't have enough juice to power up this little transmitter. Now guys, you had a couple of antennas. Now given the size of this, I'm going to take a guess that the range is going to be pretty good, but we'll check that out in a bit. We also have a couple of USB-A to USB-C cables and a flat HDMI cable. Now guys, taking a look at the receiver, we have a USB power socket in, we have an HDMI socket, a VGA connection, which I'm going to say is pretty nice because you know what, there's still a bunch of business devices that still have VGA, and we have a headphone jack. Now guys, you have the two antenna sockets, and as you can see here, fixing the antennas is pretty easy. So guys, first off, the first test, I have my receiver plugged into my computer monitor. Now this can be a TV or projector or whatever you want. Then I have the transmitter plugged into the HDMI port on my MacBook Pro. I've also had to connect the power into this as the MacBook doesn't have enough power to power up the transmitter. So here you can see I'm mirroring my laptop to my screen and there is no lag. I also tried this from upstairs and the connection was still pretty strong. There's a lot to be said for those big antennas. Now guys, you don't even actually have to use this transmitter as the receiver is also a miracast device. Here you can see there is an IP address, password and SSID. So here you can see me connecting my iPad. I pick the Yehua SSID, pop the password in and navigate to the web page. You can see a lot of config options here, but I'm just going to pick my Wi-Fi network, pop the password in and boom, we are connected. Again, there is no lag and playing back content, whether local or streamed, works like a charm. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. This was a quick look at this wireless display adapter from Yehua. It's pretty cool. Whether you want to watch movies or use it for presentations or wherever you need to plug into a display, this makes it dead easy. And if you're interested in buying one of these guys, I will leave any product links and discounts in the description. So go grab one of these and leave your cables at home. Whether you're out and about and you need to plug into a projector or any external device, this is going to help you out. No smart TV? Well, sit on the sofa with your iPad on your lap and enjoy your content on the big screen streamed. That's a bit of a tongue twister. It's the way forward, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks to Yehua for sending me this little slice of the future. And guys, if you have any comments, questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.